Alright, and welcome back to my channel, Legit Story Update. So guys, in this video I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide on how to sell your dogs token right there from Bybit. So I don't really know the exchange you are using, so right in this video I'm going to be taking you through the steps on how to sell your dogs token from Bybit. So stick with me to the end of this video guys. Without wasting much of your time, let's head over to Bybit app now. Alright guys, so right here on Bybit, don't forget I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step guide. So the first thing to do right here is to click on the asset right here at the right hand side of the screen. You can see right there. So you click on asset. So guys, from the asset right here, you can see right here account and asset. So since our token is already on unified trading, which you can see right here, you can see this is my dogs right here, the quantity of dogs which I was able to generate. So the next thing we need to do here is to go back to sports. So I will click on sports. So guys, right here from sports, you can see here we have charts and trade. So make sure you are on trade, okay, not on charts. Take note of that. So you can see right here we have Doge/USDT as preset right here. So guys, here we are to sell and not to buy. So what you need to do here is to go ahead and select sell instead of buy. You can see I select sell and the color turned to red. And guys, the next thing to do here is to go ahead and click on this, right? So from here you use the search bar and look for your dogs. So you search dogs. So guys, once you search dogs, you can see right here, as of the time I'm recording this video, dogs is not yet listed. So you can see right there, coming soon. All right, so if I click on it, you can see the time is counting down. This token will be listed in 3 hours time. So since dog is not yet available guys, in this video I'm going to be using Doge. So let's use Doge. Okay, so right here you can see right here we have Doge/USDT, Doge/USDC, Doge/AUR. So what we are doing here is to select USDT. Okay, so don't forget whatever I'm doing here is exactly you are going to do when selling your dogs token. Okay, so I'm going to click on Doge, and guys, this is it. You can see, so the first thing you need to do here, you can see right here, you can see their limits. So the next thing you need to do there is to select market instead of limits. We are selecting market just to maintain the market price at that moment. Okay, so you select price, and the next thing you need to do here is to click on the quantity. So you can see here you are to sell the quantity of dogs you want to sell. Let's say for example you have 50k dogs, right? And guys, my advice, not a financial advice, I will advise you not to sell your dogs entirely. Don't sell 100% of your dogs. So just in case you are in need of money, you understand, and you need money at the moment, so I'll advise you to sell at least part of the dogs token and leave some for future purpose, right? So the next thing you need to do here is to select the quantity of dogs you want to sell, and here there are 2 steps to do that, right? So you can see that, so you can use this to select the quantity or the percentage of your dogs token which you want to sell. So the first one, you can see I can choose to say 30%. You can see that you can be choosing the percentage of the dogs token which you want to sell, right? Let's say you want to sell like 50% of your dogs token right there. So you can use this, or you can still use here, that is where they wrote quantity right there. So let's say for example you want to sell like 10 or 20 of your dogs token right there. So guys, once you are done selecting the quantity of dogs which you want to sell, so the next thing you need to do here is to click on sell right here. So guys, so right here I don't have a dogs token right here. So let's assume you are doing this with dogs token. So once you click on sell, automatically your dogs will be converted to USDT. So that is what we just finished doing here. You just finished converting your dogs token to USDT. So guys, once you are done with that, the next thing you need to do is to go back to asset. The next thing to do here is to select on this unified trading right here, and so once you select that, you can see the numbers of USDT which you have just converted right now will be shown here, right? So you can see right here I'm still having USDT. So guys, the next thing you need, let's assume you have converted your docs token right to USDT. So the next thing you need to do here is to click on this transfer here. And so what we are to do here is to transfer those tokens from unified trading account to funding account, where you can sell via P2P or the other methods. So what you need to do here is to switch from funding to unified. So I will tap and you can see automatically everything there have switched, right? So here we are transferring from unified trading account to funding account. So the next thing you need to do here is to select USDT. Okay, once you are done selecting the USDT, the next thing you need to do here is to select the quantity of USDT which you want to transfer to your funding accounts. Okay, just in case you want to transfer everything, so you can just click on max and everything will automatically appear here. So guys, once you are done doing that, the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on confirm. So once you click on that, your token will move from unified trading account to your funding account, where you can trade via P2P. So guys, I don't want to make this video that longer, so for that I'm going to split this video. Okay, so right in this particular video I'm going to end here. In my next video I will show you how to sell your tokens via P2P. So guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how to carry out the transaction via P2P, as in where you can transfer your funds to a buyer right there and get your money in your local bank. Okay, so guys, if you have watched this video to this moment and you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. Don't forget, few hours from now docs token will be listing, and here I will be giving you updates back to back how to trade your tokens. So right here, let's end this video here, and don't forget, in my next video I'm going to show you how to buy and sell via P2P. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.